So here is a Commodore 128, and here is the SID chip. But I know that this SID chip is not fully functional. So the machine is off, of course. I'm going to take this screwdriver very delicately, get it loose, and out it comes. And then I have another one here that I'm going to put in. I'm just examining the pins. They all look good. So what I typically do is get it lined up on one side. I have checked the witness mark. Get all the pins lined up on one side and give it just a little pressure, and in it goes. And then when I turn this on, it is now running through the diagnostics. And I'm just going to keep this SID chip, this other SID chip handy. It is the, I call it the one that works 3/4 of the way. And the whole reason that we're doing all of this is because this this SID chip I'm just testing, just checking on that here, is going into an original silver label Commodore 64 that is going to Italy. So there, I have successfully managed to slightly, very slightly, make my collection a teeny tiny bit smaller. One Commodore 64 at a time. But this is not just any 64, this is a silver labeled original Canadian Commodore 64. It has ceramic RAM chips. It's in very lovely cosmetic shape. And right now, I'm just making sure that this SID chip I'm going to put in is worthy and happy. Now, excuse me, I'm just looking now here. I have another lamp here. I do not believe it is plugged in, but perhaps it should be. Perhaps it should be. I'm not sure if that helps the screen look any better. Anyway, so, sorry, we're looking at the Commodore 128 innards. Momentarily, the SID chip will be tested. And it will run through all three voices, three musical voices, and one, there we go, 1, 2, 3, there it is, the thunder, the rumble, excellent. So, funny, this machine suddenly came up with something that it doesn't like. Anyway, so now I'm going to turn the machine off. And once again, very gently, I put the screwdriver under and just give it a little twist. A little tiny twist. And a little rock and a little roll. And it's out. So, and I suppose I might just as well put the 3/4 one back in, just so I know where it is. I know its status. And poof. And away we go. So there we have, I don't know if it's the right way to take out a chip, but it works. Color RAM, bad. What is going on here? This is strange. Anyway, enough of that. Carry on.